unboxing the iPhone 12. Okay, so I just bought the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, so I just bought the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I have a story to tell. So basically, I was sleeping and I woke up in the morning and I was like, I want to buy an iPhone. I want to get a new phone and I want to get the latest phone. So I got it. This baby got delivered in 3 hours or 2 hours, I guess. So anyways, in this video, I am going to be filming this in my kitchen and also I am going to be unboxing the iPhone 12. So yeah, let's go. So this is how the box looks like. It literally just has iPhone written. It's super thin, probably because it's missing a lot of things inside. But anywho, let's get this baby opened. So this is what my iPhone looks like, and this is the one in gold. Also, the previous phone that I had was the iPhone 8 Plus. The only reason I didn't want to buy a new phone is I love this screen button, and this phone's camera quality is actually really good, and I have no idea why people say that it's bad, because I personally think that the camera quality in the iPhone 8 Plus is better than the 10 or the 11, but you know what? That's just my opinion. Anyways, let's get this opened. So as you can see, this is how it looks. It has 3 cameras and it's gold color. And then I need to open this front thingy. Y'all are not gonna believe this. I waited more than 6 hours to open this phone only because I wanted to do it on camera. So you better give this video a thumbs up. So as you can see, it has these mirror thingies. So this is a 360 of how it looks. This phone is so shiny. It reminds me of things like Gucci, Louis Vuitton and stuff like that. It's just so bougie and I have no idea why. This phone makes me feel really bougie. So yeah. So now that I'm done with the iPhone, let's see what is inside the box. So we have the USB cable right over here. So I only have the cord over here without the plug. And then so I have the Apple sticker. This time they only gave 1. I feel like Apple is getting cheaper day by day, because I remember the previous phones, they used to give at least 2 stickers. Like damn. And then they've given this SIM card thingy. You know, you use this to open the SIM card tray. So right now I'm going to turn on my phone. How do I do that? Okay, yeah. Is that how you do that? No. So it's turning on right now. So we're just gonna wait for a little while. So I'm setting up my Face ID. And right now I am going to be creating my password. Okay, so right now I'm setting up my iPhone. So I'm going to directly transfer all of my info and my pictures and all of my data from my iPhone 8 to my new phone. So as you can see, there is like a whole verification process to actually transfer all the data and information from this phone to this phone. So it's safe. I'm gonna give that a 10 out of 10. And it's connecting. So as you can see, I am trying to set up Siri. So I'm gonna say, hey Siri. Hey Siri, hey Siri, hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Okay, so Siri is finally ready. Damn, this girl got a lot of questions to ask. But anyways, okay, so everything is getting set. I do have a few things that I wanted to talk about, like the differences, the things that I don't like and the things that I like. So obviously I love the phone overall, but I have a problem with the goddamn charger. So what the hell is this supposed to be? Like, I can't even connect this to my laptop because usually I charge my phone using my laptop, and now I can't do it because I have no idea what this is. Now, a difference I've seen between the two, the new charger and the old charger, is that, so as you can see, this is the old one and this is the new one, and honestly, I prefer this one much better because I could actually use my laptop to charge my phone. With this, I can't do any of that. So the new charger is actually thicker and a little longer than the old one. Here is the old one. It's pretty small compared to the new one. So yeah, that's the difference. But honestly, I preferred the old charger because, like I explained earlier. Okay, so I got this USB adapter. So I got the adapter for my iPhone because I cannot charge it without it. And I also got a cover for my phone because I don't have one at the moment. So here's my phone right now, and it's been there because I'm too afraid to use it. So I finally got a cover. Okay, so I have been testing out my new phone for the past couple of days because, you know, you gotta give it a test run, like a proper one. You gotta use it for a couple of days and then give an honest opinion review on it. So there are a couple of things that I have to say, things that I love and things that I don't like. So let's start off with things that I like. Now, the first one is the sound quality. Oh my goodness. The sound quality is, let me just say, immaculate. It is so freaking good. It's literally like a speaker. Compared to the phone that I had, this is definitely an upgrade. Like, I could just keep this back in my home country and I could still hear. That was a little bit of exaggeration, but you get the point. Number 2, night mode. I can take pictures in the dark now. Like, literally. I used to worry so much about taking pictures in the dark before. Like, I usually take pictures during daytime, usually when there's light. But now I could take pictures at night in the dark and I will still be visible. I love it. Number 3, 5G cellular network. You already know. It's an upgrade. Number 4. Is that number 4? Yeah. How big the screen is. It's literally like a mini cinema, okay? I can watch Netflix from a mile away. This screen is hella big because I love watching Netflix while taking a shower, and sometimes I cannot take my laptop, so I use my phone. Using this phone, I could actually see Netflix clearly, better, and high quality. Okay, so I'm a little curious. Do you sing, dance, or watch Netflix during your shower? Or do you not do anything at all? If you don't do anything at all, is life okay? Or are you just normal? And another one is better FaceTime calls. So when you FaceTime using this phone, the quality is much better. The person on the other side of the phone call could see you much better, much clearly. So yeah, other than that, I'm still adjusting to this phone. It's quite big and my hands are really small. So it's sort of difficult for me, you know, like just type and like, you know, do all that. So I gotta use both my hands. But I love it. Honestly, I really do. And I am also in love with this pink cover. So yeah. The only bad thing about the iPhone 12 is that they don't give you earphones. So you have to buy your own earphones separately, which is also sort of expensive. I don't like that part. I didn't know that information. I didn't know that earphones didn't come with the phone. Now, I did see memes and tweets making fun of Apple for not giving earphones and stuff like that, but I didn't think it was actually real because the internet can tell you whatever it wants. So I don't trust the internet and rumors and stuff like that. But anyways, yeah, it's true. They don't give you earphones and they don't give you a plug for your charger. The only thing that you get in that box is the iPhone, the charging cord, an Apple sticker, and the SIM card tray removing thing. But overall, I love this phone, and let's see for how long I use this phone. Also, I did put on a screen protector because I'm not sure of myself. I could drop this any second, and that's how clumsy I am. Getting a screen guard was very important. So anyways, that's it for this video. So I'm gonna give this a year or year and a half or 2. Let's see how long I stay with this phone. I mean, since I just got it, I'm actually pretty excited to keep using it, to take pictures and just film videos on it. It's quite helpful for me and my YouTube videos. So yeah, I'm happy with this phone. Anyways, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video was a little different from my usual videos. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what phone you have and what phone you want to get next. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.